The project I am currently involved with is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to restore one of Canada's most important historic buildings, the Centre Block on Parliament Hill. But what makes it more rewarding is the innovative and adaptable team working on the project. We overcome challenges together and celebrate our victories together. PCL fosters an environment where you are both accountable but also encouraged to ask questions. If there is something you don't know, there's always someone willing to share their knowledge. I thrive off challenges. That's what motivates me. It's so fulfilling to see a project start as a 3D model and then watch it come to life. I actually began my journey at PCL in the Building Information Modeling department, helping create those 3D models. But after I saw my husband working in the field, I knew it was something I wanted to pursue. With the help of my fellow PCLers, I transitioned into the field and have not looked back since. That is one thing I love about PCL. We all share the mindset of growth and support. As an employee owner, I know that my success is everyone's success. I am Madison Blom, and I am proud to be a part of such a diverse team, building and accomplishing diverse projects.